the final drive oil change. So we want to change that fluid too. The fill plug, and then the drain plug. This is the drain plug. You can see metal shavings. We can put the drain plug back. We want to lubricate the shaft splines from right here and the other one right here. Okay, in order to move the rear end to the bottom part, we need to take it out the string arm bolt and the ABS sensor from right here. Okay, we want to use a T50. You can take it out the boot from right here. Careful with the flat screwdriver before we take it out the main bolt. Like this, and we have separated. So now we can take out this bolt. There you go. So now we have the shaft splines. Okay, so now from right here, the front part of the shaft, where it's connected straight to the gearbox, we wanna disconnect with the, this little zip tie. Got it. Zip tie, and then we want to put the new one. Remove the boot from the front, and then you can see the shaft right here. Splines too. Want to apply the shaft from right here. You can put the pry bar or flat screwdriver and try to do it like this. You can see the splines right here, it's almost gone. So we want to pry a little bit more. You can see right here. There you go. We can see and inspect the U joints, planes, very soft, smooth, and then it's no play at all. This is the rear one. We can see no signs of rust, and this is the front part, what is the gearbox. again, moves freely. No signs of rust, and then the splines looks good. Okay, so we're gonna use this special grease for axles, shafts, splines. We wanna put grease in the front part of the shaft where it goes over there to the gearbox. Okay, after we lubricate the front part of the shaft, where it goes over there to the gearbox, we're gonna put it from right here, from this position, like that, all the way right here. So now we can take it out. After we put the shaft, we can take it out the boot from right here from the back. So that way we have more access. If we want to take it out the boot and clean it up, we can do that. We can take it off from right here, this side. We can put the rag right here in the bottom, so that way we can use cleaner. Okay, after we put the boot from the front part, we want to add a zip tie. But before do that, we want to move the boot like that, so that way we can see when we try to put the shaft in it. Well, we need to make sure it's all the way in, That way we know the clip in between. We don't need to have. If you see this cap, it's out, so we need to go more from right here all the way right here into the end of the shaft. There you go. Can see over there. That means it's engaged the rear shaft. That way we see we have the boot in with the clips all the way in. Make sure it's that right here too. Now we want to fill it up the rear end with the final drive gig oil 7590.